Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea fast. To begin, select your favorite tea. For a strong brew, use 2 tea bags for every 8 ounces of hot water. Steep the tea for about 5 minutes to ensure a rich flavor. While it steeps, you can prepare a simple syrup by combining equal parts sugar and water, then heating until the sugar dissolves. This foundational step sets you up for delicious, quickly made iced tea. Once your tea is brewed, the key is rapid cooling. A great method is to pour the hot tea directly over a generous amount of ice in a heat-safe pitcher. Alternatively, you can place your tea container into an ice bath, stirring occasionally to speed up the process. For an even quicker chill, consider adding some pre-chilled water or a small amount of already cold tea to your hot brew. These techniques ensure your iced tea is ready to enjoy in no time. Now, let's talk about enhancing those flavors. Fresh lemon slices or orange wedges are classic additions, providing a bright, citrusy note. For a refreshing twist, try muddling a few mint leaves or even some basil directly into your tea. If you prefer a sweeter, fruitier profile, mixing in a splash of peach or raspberry juice can transform your drink. Experiment with these simple additions to customize your fast iced tea to perfection. Finally, it's time to serve and enjoy your quickly made iced tea. Pour it over fresh ice, adding any desired garnishes like a lemon wedge or a sprig of mint. If you have any leftover, store it in a sealed container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh for up to 3 days. Remember, you can always adjust the sweetness and strength to match your personal taste, making every glass perfect for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.